99% of TISS aspirants are missing right now. Despite everybody is telling them to do it, they are not doing it at all. At the end of this video, you will discover what is that part that you are also missing which lead to failure in TISS. And if you take action on that, you can protect your whole 1 year. And this is the power of this particular journey. So I want to invite you today to discover the biggest block that might prevent you from your selection. Now let's go ahead and resolve this particular challenge before it fails you. Now when it comes to looking at your journey right now, where you want to get into TISS and you are putting so much energy in terms of your preparation because you have big aspirations, you have big dreams, you want to get best career, placements and packages, you really want to make your life worthy, you want to help your parents, and that's why this is the only target that you are going forward to now. But the current situation is you are moving ahead for your TISS preparation, but 100% of your time, 100% of your time is devoted only to exam. You are devoting your whole time to read about quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, reasoning and DI, and you are fully committed to that. And you are just single-handedly focusing on only one dimension, and that is your mind. Okay, you are trying to make best use of your mind with the help of your focus, putting extra hours. But you do not have habit to recharge yourself. So what is missing in this particular journey is you do not have right habits. You are not recharging your mind, your energy. You are not spending time in reflection. You are not getting clarity what is working for you, what is not working for you, what you need to do differently, and you are just endlessly consuming content. And you are thinking by consuming more and more content you will be able to get result. Then it never happens. If you have 1000 kg weight, you are not going to build six-pack muscles, right? It's not going to happen at all. You need to also eat that food, exercise, reflect on it, stretch yourself, go through the right techniques and methodology for you to get result. I hope you got the point here. And when it comes to this journey, 99% of the people fail because of they are just focusing on exam, but they do not have habits for recharging themselves. And the most importantly, when you do not have habits, your whole energy is going for entrance exam only, and you do not even have time, bandwidth for cracking the most important part that I'm going to cover in some time. And because of which, people clear the entrance exam, but they fail to get selected because seats are limited in TISS. And that's why you need to know what needs to be done in order to do that. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this is going to be very, very critical for you. Now, when it comes to the right approach for your selection, this should be the right approach. Okay. As you know, for getting selected in TISS, you need to do these three things. CUET, online assessment, and online personal interview. And you need to score 80%, 80%, 80% to be certain about your selection. And if you want to score 80%, 80%, 80%, then the timeline is very, very limited you have. You have March end for CUET, and then April to May, you have your OA and OPI. It might happen for you in the mid of the April or at the beginning of the May. You never know, but you need to get ready for this thing. Now, in order to get selected and score 80% marks in all the 3 rounds, you need to have 6 things. First, you need to have knowledge about the entire selection process. You need to know about the concepts that help you crack entrance exam, concepts that help you crack online assessment like extempore, GD, concept that help you crack OPI. So you need to have very strong knowledge of all these 3 fundamental rounds, concepts that can deliver results. Okay. Second, you need skills. You need skills to solve questions in entrance exams, skills to communicate, skills to write, skills to present yourself, skills to handle objections for this entire journey for your selection. Third, you need a very powerful attitude. You need to have strong self-confidence, belief. For that, you need to have right habits. Okay, like in my community, my students go through 6 habits, which leads them to selection in their dream college in one attempt. Okay. Fourth, they have their personality. You need to present your personality in very, very empowering way, that you are the best person, leader. You are going to inspire, transform college by you getting there, and you have passion and purpose. When you do that, then only you actually get selected. And then you need to have profile. You cannot go there just by telling, oh, I'm interested in this program. No, it doesn't work. You need to have a strong credentials, certifications, courses, accreditations, research work, internships relevant to the program that you are targeting, so that you are taken seriously. And sixth, you need to behave with so much conviction, clarity for the selection that you look forward to. When you have these things, then actually you get results. But the real crisis is you are not working on any of these things. And that's what normally people do. They are focusing only on one aspect. What is that? Quant, verbal, reasoning. And they think by preparing in this way, they are going to crack it. So this is the big crisis. Now, what is the treasure for you? If you want to get selected, you need to make sure that you are mastering all these areas. And when you master all of these areas, you are going to give very good inspiration, impression, and you are going to score extremely high marks, and you will be able to save 2 to 3 years of your life. You will be able to get into the college, do your masters quickly, and start earning very, very, very fast. You will be able to be in the position of being settled, financially capable, and going to impact life of your family. That is the thing that you need to take in order to get selected. Okay, and that is the power of it. Now, you need support system. You need mentorship. You need training to fill those gaps where you have right now. And if you are super serious for this, I have requested TISS experts to give this customization, mentorship and training. And if you want to be part of this particular consultation process, then I have shared the link in the description. Go ahead, fill that form, get on the call with the expert, discuss all of your problems, and join our community for you to get selected in your dream college. I wish you all the best for your selection in TISS in one attempt. Keep transforming for greatness, and at the end, more power to you.